I did not think, to be honest with y'all, that I would enjoy driving an RT as much as I enjoy driving this car. Complete package, complete build, done. You can literally take this car to a car show and win a trophy automatically. This is huge. This is a very, very monumental moment. I don't know if you guys remember, but at the top of this year, we gave away what we called the STEMI Hemi. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this car, building it, and then we completely gave it away for free. As a matter of fact, take a flashback and look at that right now. Get caught up. This is Stefan from Mod2Fame. You just won the STEMI Hemi. So you saw that? No trash, man. The STEMI Hemi, like I said, we put a lot into. It's something that really touched my heart, man, when we gave that car away. And the look on that young man's face when he came to pick it up and saw it in person and realized that he was gonna drive it all the way back to Texas. Because that's who won, somebody all the way in Texas. I'm super proud and super happy to announce that finally we're here again with our second ever in history Mod2Fame giveaway car, and we filmed this just for y'all. All right, go check out this feature film. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, man, yeah. So 2 weeks ago, we introduced this car to you guys as our next car on the channel. And some of you were in the comments, it was like, Steph, you gonna get this one away? This is a giveaway car, you should give it away. A lot of you were right. Yes, this is the next channel giveaway car. It is a 2017 Dodge Charger RT, completely converted 100% to look like a 2020 wide body Charger. 2020, 2021, whatever you want to call it, it looks brand new. So in addition to us doing that, we did diamond white leather interior, not just something regular. The car came with cloth seats, man. The way that it came was just a regular black base model RT, and we went crazy. Not only did we do the seats in diamond white leather, we also did the headliner in ultra suede. And then in addition to having a headliner in ultra suede, we put the stars in the roof because we know that's what you guys like. Then we came to the outside of the car and wrapped the car in plum crazy. Before anyone, the #1 people who believed in us and providing us this vehicle and helping us to get the vehicle and secure it was AutoTempest. Shout to AutoTempest because, you know, maybe you're not the type of person that's going to put all of this money into a car. Maybe you just want to buy it this way from the factory. So you can search AutoTempest right now by searching on a website for AutoTempest.com and searching for a plum crazy wide body 2021 Hellcat or Scat Pack, which are available from Dodge, and you'll look very close to this. You'll have to do some more though, because once you hit that link in the description for AutoTempest, you gotta do a little bit more, because this vehicle is also lowered. It also have full custom gloss black wheels. Shout out to Road Force Wheels, who provided the 20-inch wheels that are on this car right now. Shout to Vicrez, because they provided the wide body kit that you see on this car to make it look like that 2021 that you used to see in a brand new one. Vicrez kit went on perfectly. Shout to AudioCat, who did the leather work, the wide body installation, the wrapping, who also provided the lighting. This car has full flowing, color flowing DRLs in the headlights along with DRL halos. In addition to that, it has full underglow, 100% going all the way around the vehicle, and he did the star lights in the roof. Complete package, complete build, done. You can literally take this car to a car show and win a trophy automatically because it has everything that you need to do. Maybe you're the type of person that like beats and sounds, you can add that, cool. Maybe you're the type of person that want a little more power, you can add that, cool. But the basis of what you have here is absolutely amazing. This car is beautiful. We finished it off with a pair of white diamond stripes done by Mods, as you guys can see here, and tied in the interior and the exterior perfectly. It's amazing the way this car looks in person. I'm sorry you can't see it. We did as best as we could in the feature film. So you're asking yourself, all right, Stephen, cool. The last time, all I had to do was enter my name and my email, and that entered me to win. Yes, that was the first car we did, completely free, 100%. All we need you to do this time, though, is visit Mod2Fame.com and get one of the items that are available right now, like this hoodie that I'm wearing right now, which is the standard charcoal hoodie available. Get one of the snapbacks that are available. You can get t-shirts. All of it is available, and all of it enters you to win this car. This giveaway is going to go. It's going to be not that long, probably somewhere around 90 days. And that all of those rules will be on the website available for you to go through and see. But all I want to impress upon you is the importance of being entered. There's a saying for the for the lottery, you got to be in it to win it. So make sure you visit Mod2Fame.com. Don't wait, get your entries in early. Every $5 spent gets you an entry into the giveaway to win big perk. Super easy to do. But here's the benefit, guys. Listen, of course not everybody can win, right? But that one person could be you. However, what you're getting when you purchase one of our products is not just a regular sweatshirt or t-shirt. We use the highest of quality. So no matter what you get, you're getting a good product, and it gives you an opportunity to win a car. So it's a win-win for you. So support Mod2Fame, man. We've come a very long way. We've put a lot into this car for you guys, way more than what we should have for a giveaway car. But we got to be ourselves, and this is us, man. We do cars really, really nice. Something that we're proud of. Let me chop it up with you a little bit more in the car. I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, this is a giveaway and how you can enter the win. But I got just a couple more things to share with you, but we're gonna do it as we ride out. Come on. I did not think, to be honest with y'all, that I would enjoy driving an RT as much as I enjoy driving this car. But I thoroughly enjoy driving this car because it rides well, it's peppy as hell. In addition to that, it sounds good. And then the best part, the way it looks. The way this car looks, this joint turns, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this joint turns heads like my Hellcat. I'm not gonna lie. It turns heads, and to be honest with y'all, I think it turns more women's heads than men's heads, probably because of the color. So you probably like, oh yeah, because it's purple. But listen, man, in person it looks very muscular, very mean, and women just love the color. So you get the best of all worlds when driving this car. Here's where I always mess up. I always say, you know, we're gonna do a giveaway car, it's gonna be nice, clean, we ain't gonna go too crazy. I always go too crazy. I always end up liking it too much, and then I never want to actually give it away. So I'm gonna be heartbroken. I'm not gonna lie to you. When one of you guys wins this car, I'm gonna be heartbroken, but hopefully my heart is also overjoyed, because hopefully it really blesses someone that really needs a fun toy, because that's what this is. This is absolutely a toy. Like, no one needs this. No one needs something this customized, this done up. Like, who needs this? Nobody. But it is a toy, man, and I love everything about it. And if I love it, that means you guys are gonna absolutely adore it. Man, I really appreciate all of you, each and every one of you, because this would not be possible without you. It will be no way in the world that we'd be able to do huge projects like these and then talk about giving them away. That is bananas ridiculous. This is giveaway number 2. So the proof is in the pudding. We've been there, we've done that, we killed it. So here we are again, man, round 2. Once again, shout out to AutoTempest, our partners. Man, sometimes you just get a loss for words when a plan really comes together. And this is a plan that came together. And now I'm willing to hand over the keys to one of you. So visit Mod2Fame.com right now. Go get whatever piece of merch you like. All of it is really good quality. All of it is going to come packaged well. All of it is going to exceed your expectations, because we do everything quality all the way. We don't use the cheap t-shirt material. We don't do none of that. We don't use the cheap hoodie material. We don't do, all of it looks good, feels good, and not for nothing, you're gonna get something fly to wear that hopefully enters you to win a car. You can buy as much as you like. The more you spend, obviously the more entries you get, but that don't mean that you gotta go crazy, because you never know. Do what you could afford, and you got about 90 days to get it done. It's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, and I gotta add one more thing. Visit Mod2Fame.com to get entered to win the Widebody Charger RT, aka Big Perp. Love you guys. Peace.